Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be sharing with you how to cut a coconut tree. Some of you may think I'm the one right at the top trimming off the branches, but no, that's not me. Yeah, so you start from the top by cutting all the branches and all the coconuts. So you just trim them, you take your time and trim everything. As you can see, the branches are falling right on the ground. Sorry, the quality of my video is not all that. This is in the evening, so it's not coming out the way that I wanted it to. Yeah, I think now you can take a closer look. Most of the coconuts are already on the ground, so now we're just taking down all the branches. And I'm sorry about the background noise. Yeah, so you just continue cutting off the branches. So now all the coconuts and branches have been cut off, and as you can see, there's a rope right there, tied right at the top of the tree to guide it which direction it should fall. Yeah, look at the rope right there. It's time to come down from the top of the tree. Yes, so the job at the top has been finally accomplished, and now it's time to start cutting from the bottom. Yeah, so you start at the bottom. As you can see, we are using a chainsaw. The first cut at the bottom, the blade was not very sharp, so it took longer than expected. So this is the second cut. Yeah, and then there's a third one. I mean, everybody does things different. Oops, I missed it. The tree has fallen, so you now cut it into pieces for easy disposal. I missed it. So thanks guys for watching and always coming back to watch my videos. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Bye.